Okay, good afternoon again, Josh.
Hello po.
So we're going to solve problems now on still maxima minima, but this time on cylindrical and circular problems. Okay, so let's start the problem number 1. A cylindrical steam boiler is to be constructed having a capacity of 100 square meters. The material for the side costs 200 pesos per square meter, and for the ends is 300 per square meter. Find the radius so that the cost will be least. Okay, so let's start first by illustrating the problem.
Stop sharing.
Okay, with the problem. Yes, can be seen here. I'll make it smaller. Okay. So breaking down this cylinder, we have a rectangle, okay, and two circles, okay, so top and bottom, and then the body of the cylinder. So the total area will be 2 pi r squared, since there are two circles, so it's multiplied by 2, and then plus your 2 pi 2 pi r h, which is the area for this body of the cylinder. Okay, so now taking into consideration the cost, which is the sides costs 200 pesos, okay, and the ends 300 pesos. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by the cost of the top and bottom, which is equal to 200. Wait. Okay, the ends is 300. So 300 multiplied by pi r squared plus 2 multiplied by 200 pesos pi r h. Okay, so I'll just simplify it. Total is equal to 600 pi r squared plus 400 pi r h. Okay, so we have our first formula for the total area. Now we're going to use the formula of the volume to compute, okay, or to get the value of H in terms of R. So the volume now of our cylinder is equal to pi R squared height. Okay, so pi R squared height. Okay, now volume is given, which is equal to 100 meters, 100 cubic meters, so this is equal to 100. Wait, I'll just place it here. 100 is equal to pi r squared height. Okay, now isolating the height. Height now is equal to 100 divided by, let's arrange it, okay, divided by pi r squared. Okay, so we have the value of H in terms of R. Now, solving it using the first equation for the total area. So our area now, or 80, hopefully you can still see it here.
Yes, Agent.
Still okay, Josh,
It's
over
still
here?
okay.
Okay, 80 is equal to 600 pi r squared plus 400 pi r multiplied by your height, this one. It is 100 all over pi r squared. Okay, so simplifying it, cancel this one. Okay, so your area now is equal to 600 pi r squared plus 40,000. Okay, 40,000 all over r. Okay, so now we could differentiate it. Okay, so dA with respect to r. Okay, so dA r is equal to, this is times 2, 1,200 pi r, and then r here will have a negative exponent. Okay, so this becomes negative 2. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 40, I'll just write it. Okay, negative 2 multiplied by 40,000.
Negative 1
Okay,
lang
and
po.
then
Negative 1.
yes,
Yung exponent po ng R is just
wait,
negative.
negative 1. This one. Okay, so negative 1. Okay, sorry, negative 1. And then negative 2. So r raised to negative 2. Okay. So this will become 1,200 pi r minus 40,000 all over r squared. Okay, now equating dA dr to 0. Can you still see it here
Hindi na po.
below? This side na lang. Dito na lang tayo. So this becomes 12,000. Okay, sorry. 1,200 pi r is equal to 40,000 all over r squared. Okay, so this part, Josh, can you still see it here?
Hindi na po.
Not anymore. Wait. I'll just arrange the cam para since okay naman na illustration sa taas. Baba natin ng konti. Yan. Okay. So therefore, this will become, we'll multiply this, no? Cross multiplying it, this is r cubed is equal to 40,000 all over 1,200. So 1,200 pi. Okay, cancel. This is equal to 400. I think I'll use a calculator now. It's equal to 40,000 divided by 1, 2, 5. It is r cubed. R cubed, don't think it will fit, is equal to, or I'll just transfer it to a radical na. This is cube. Okay, cube root of 10.61 and so on. So it's around 2.2. So R mo now, your R now is equal to 2.2. What is R? Meters. Yeah. Okay. So R now is equal to 2.2 meters. Now, if we're going to look for the value of H, we just substitute the value of 2.2 meters, which is equal to H 100 divided by pi multiplied by 2. So our height now is equal to
Squared.
Josh?
Squared pa yung R.
Sorry, squared. Yes, squared. Multiplied by, divided by quantity 2 squared multiplied by pi. Okay, our height is 6.58. Okay, it's equal to 6.58 meters. Okay, so what are we looking for?
So how
yes, we're not looking. Volume is already given. We're only solving for the radius pala, but still we solve for the height. Okay.
So how do you know if if the result is the maximum or the minimum?
Yeah, so we will be able to determine if the result is a maximum or a minimum if the second derivative of the problem is, if it's greater than 0, it's a minimum. If it's less than 0, it's a maximum. So where's our first derivative now? I think this one. Okay, this is our first derivative. Okay, so I'll just, is still okay here?
Still okay.
Could you still see it here? Okay, so I will retain dA dr first. Okay, dA dr. Therefore, our d prime a, or let's have it as a double prime. A double prime. So this is equal to 12,000 multiplied by pi, and then this is minus 2 multiplied by 40,000, and then all over
Minus ano po? Minus negative 2 po. Times 4,000.
minus this derivative nito is 2 multiplied by this one. Di ba this will become r raised to negative 2?
Opo, yung negative 2 po multiply.
Dito. Nandito na siya. So, kaya kulang ko ng isa. Yan. Okay, and then r raised
Okay.
to negative 3.
Mumultiply niyo po yung negative 2 sa negative sign po sa negative 4,000.
Hindi ba to?
Wait, ito. Derivative.
Ito.
Derivative of negative 40,000 over r squared.
Yung negative 2 niyo po, mumultiply niyo po sa negative 40,000.
Para maging positive.
Magiging
Ah,
positive.
para maging positive siya. Tama. Okay. Akala ko you're right. Tama siya. Okay. So, this is r cube. R raised to negative 3. Okay. So, this becomes positive 2. Well, anyway, so ang area mo now, it is 1,002. Can you still see it here? Pi. Okay. Plus, this is 80,000 all over r cube. Okay. So, from this value, it's obviously greater than 0. Okay? So, it is a minimum value. Okay? Diba? Less is equal to a positive or maximum value. Okay. So, I think we added solutions, no? We're only looking for the radius, but still we solve for the height, and we also prove in taking the second derivative of the first derivative of the area, we knew that it is correct because it is lesser, so it's greater, so it's a minimum value. Okay, so I think for solution cited, we need a larger board to solve for these types of problems. Yeah, medyo malit tong board ko na nandito. Hopefully, I will be able to purchase what Doc was telling
Yes.
me. So there will be no problem regarding the spacing of the solution.
Yes.
Okay, so is it clear, Josh?
Abo.
Okay, so let's see the second problem. Okay, so second problem is suppose you want to construct a cylindrical can with no lid. If we have only 18 square centimeters of sheet metal, what is the largest possible volume? Okay, it's actually the same as this one, given volume is given. Okay, so try to solve it. Let us look for the largest possible volume. Okay, I remember there's no lid na, so we have no top. There, nice. See? Compared to my illustration on the board. And you're getting the hang of this illustration, Josh. Ha? May bilis na.
Yes.
It's okay na. It can be perfect.
Then,
No lead.
slowly.
Show that there's no lead.
Ano kaya? Ano?
Okay.
Largest possible volume. Mga ganun na lang ano niya.
Okay, breaking down the cylinder.
Yun.
Nice. Okay, same height.
Okay, more or less. That's great na.
Surface area.
Okay, circle plus.
Isolate.
There's another page. You
So,
can use another page.
copy.
You can
Stone.
hindi yata nakakopy sa ibang page.
Hindi nga. Sinus ko yung double paste. So, equals pi r squared.
Josh, you could also cancel pi from pi r squared. At the second.
Ah,
Volume, yes, you could also cancel pi. Pi r squared.
natanggal ko na po yung
Square
ano pa
the
eh.
pi. The pi.
No, yung pi.
Yung pi kasi.
Yes.
Natanggal
So that
yung
it will only
square
be
ng
r. R multiplied by.
Natanggal yung square ng r. Hindi yung...
Okay, yes.
Yun.
Okay.
Derivative.
Josh, it is pi r squared. Since nag-derivative ka na.
Ay, square. Ang galing may mga bar dyan.
Ito yun. So,
Unit.
something. Yun. Substitute. Wait, I'll just construct laser pointer. Substitute R
Yes, 1.382 centimeters.
into V.
Louder,
What
louder.
are we looking for?
Volume po.
So,
Okay.
Substitute
hindi narinig.
substitute the volume into the substitute the radius into the volume.
Yun.
Meron na palang ano eh. There's already a simpler.
Galing mo yung ano. Yung si Sir Mike Babano.
Ano pala.
Okay. Yes,
Ano,
10.
1.3 yan.
Okay. So, unit, what's our unit, Josh? Meters? No, centimeters. Cubic centimeters. Okay, Josh, kindly derive the first derivative. This one, so that we know if it is a maximum or a minimum.
Second derivative po.
Yes. But actually, as seen from the first derivative, it's negative since 9 becomes 0, isn't it? So it becomes negative 3 pi. So it's below 0. It's a maximum value. Without even solve, we can. Okay. Okay. You can show the solution. So that is it's a negative value. 3 pi multiplied by. Okay. Don't change r anymore. It's a negative value. We're sure that is a maximum value since it's a negative. Second derivative is a negative value. Okay. So we have the same answer. It is 10.267. Okay, and then you also prove that it's a maximum value since the second derivative has a negative value. It's less than 0. Okay, so that's problem number 2. Let's try. Okay, it's still the same. Okay, number 3 is suppose we want to build a cylindrical cone. Is that? Yes, that's the one. Cylindrical cone with a volume of 96 pi cubic centimeters. The can will have a partially open top, okay, consisting of a hole that has an area equal to 1/2 of the area of the base. Okay, so what is the radius of the can with the smallest surface area? Okay, so it's a minimum.
And the area of the hole is equal to the base area of the base.
It's equal to half.
Doc, while you're solving, could I record the video while you're recording? Since
Ah,
pwede masabay, ganon?
hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede, Doc, hindi. Kasi may record din siya dito, no? So, isa lang ang
Ah,
pwedeng
isa lang.
mag-record.
Pagka nabibigyan ka ng if we will send you permission to record, parang ganun siya.
Okay. Wait, Doc, ha? Ano lang, mga 30 seconds. My camera is blinking. Ayusin ko lang yung
Okay.
cable niya. Tingnan ko
Okay.
lang sa dali. Nagbe-blink siya. Dali lang. Naglulus.
But the area of the whole area equal to the area of the base. Okay?
O
hindi.
Equal to 1/2 the base.
1/2.
I will just change it once I finish.
Yes,
An
there's an error. 1/2.
1/2 the base.
No.
Okay. It's an area 1/2 equal to the area of the base.
To 1/2 the area. To 1/2.
That's one,
To
two.
remove the. No, remove the.
I will move it first.
No, just remove the.
Yes. Kulang yung problem.
Okay.
Should be equal to 1/2 of the area of the base.
Basta na i-erase.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Okay, symmetrical.
Substitute the H into the surface area.
Josh, you could add those two. R plus R over 2. So that will be a single term. Masyadong mahaba.
Collapse. 3R over 2.
Ah, ayan. Yes. Just distribute it first. Distribute pi r. 2, 3r over 2 and... Yes, okay. Pi r, Josh, 192 pi r. Then, you cancel it already. Okay, just show the solution first. Pi r squared. Sorry, pi r and then r squared below. So that, okay. Yes.
Baba mo. O, taas mo muna. May siya ba?
Doc, hindi ba maingay, Doc? Okay lang dito?
Okay lang, okay lang.
I think there's a party next door. Medyo okay.
Hindi siya nadidinig eh.
Okay lang.
Ayos lang.
Exact value. Okay, so what are we looking for? Okay, only the radius. Now we're going to prove that It is the smallest surface area. So meaning the second derivative should be positive. Well, I think so. Just derive the value, Josh, of 0 is equal to 3 pi r minus 192 pi all over r squared.
Prove that it is the minimum.
Is equal to 3 pi plus pi all over r cubed. Let's substitute it, Josh, to get the exact value. R now is equal to 4, isn't it? So
Opo, positive,
let's
positive.
try to solve the exact value for area double prime. But we can see that it's positive.
Positive, opo.
Ikaw na.
Let's just try it. Okay. It's a minimum. So it's a positive value, it's above 0. So it's a minimum value. So the problem states what is the radius of the can with the smallest surface area. So it should be a minimum. Okay. That's problem number 3.
Number 3. This is
Number
the first
3.
one. Yes.
Okay. Now the next is find the largest cylinder that can fit into a right circular cone, with a height of 20 centimeters and a radius of 12. Let's see how you draw the cone, Josh. Is there a pattern there in drawing a cone?
Okay.
Nice. Center. Galing. Galing na na. Yan. Should start, I think, up. Okay. The top of the cylinder. So it won't be
Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, no problem. Yes.
Huh.
nice.
Yes, hanggang sa center, ng circle.
Symmetric.
Okay, more or less. Okay, more or less pwede na. Second brush. Oh,
Wala po.
Okay. Josh, the given is 20.
20
The given height is 20.
and radius is 12.
Okay.
Hindi na ano. Yung 20.
Wala po.
Red.
Nice.
So why are you doing that? Ano yan ba?
Page of
Why would
Similar
you do that?
triangles.
Huh?
Similar
Yeah,
triangles.
you put there. Put the solution for those who want to learn. Kasi similarity, not nagbaka congruence.
the okay.
Substitute each into this equation.
So, what do you do next?
Differentiate.
You say so that the audience or potential audience will learn from your solution if your solution is correct. What do you do? Sabihin mo.
Break into 0.
And, ano yun?
Find R.
Ano yung ginawa mo dun sa ano?
And simplify. This is 12 over 3, so 12 minus negative 8 over 3.
What did you do there?
Combine like terms.
Yes, combine like terms. You forgot the radius, Josh.
Yun. So, R equals 45. There's
15
a...
centimeters.
Pero kung...
Wait, what are we looking for?
Each... Minus 5 per...
Where is the H? Tanong kay engineer.
Bakit po negative ang ano? Height?
Yes. Could you go back, Josh, to sa page before you derived the area? Two pi r squared pi r h. 20. So 20 over 3, 40. This is 4. Could you go back now? Is it 4 pi r? Your first derivative, 2 pi r squared. What's the derivative of 2 pi r squared? Let's go back to the
Tinuwa.
next page. So yun, 4 pi r. Negative 20. Let's see where the mistake is. Correct, 0 or negative 20 pi r. 12 minus 20, negative 8 over 3 plus 40 pi. So 80. Yes, 15. Height is equal to 20 minus 3/5 r. Let's go back to the height, Josh.
Height...
Height 3. Well, all the solutions are correct. How did we arrive at negative? There's no direction. That is correct. Well, all you did, everything you've done is correct. Okay, Josh, while wasting time looking at this problem, try to solve the next one. I will see what's wrong with this solution while you're solving the next problem, so that we won't be wasting time.
Abo.
Okay, so I'll be solving this problem now and see where the mistake was. Okay, I'll be solving it here on the board. Okay,
Okay.
so let's see where the mistake was. While you're solving the next problem,
Approximately. So,
okay, while you're illustrating it, minus r.
tama. Halos the same, na?
Mm.
Almost perfect. Hey, nangyari?
Hey, Josh, while illustrating that, I'm trying to find every part of the solution is correct.
What's that?
Extraneous.
Extraneous rule. You need
Not yet. Yay.
Okay. Josh, what's the value of the height?
Ano po?
Yun. Equal 8/3 and 8/3. Going back to this problem, Josh, it's the first time I've encountered this. Everything is correct. Actually, it's the same as that one you're solving.
Technically po,
R is,
the height should be the same as yung ano po, the radius.
no, radius is 15, it's correct. But substituting it to the given value.
It means po the h then po is 15 kung radius is 15.
But it's a negative value. But every part is correct. Even in your case is, I just simplified this part here. But you have the same answer, 15. It's negative 5.
strange.
Strange. Duck. Duck is strange. Ano? This is a weird.
for height.
Technically po, dapat same pa yung height tsaka radius eh. So, dapat po, it should end up with 15 din.
So, ba't ka nagkakaroon?
15 and 15. Okay, Josh, sige. I'll try to find this one. I'll try to solve for the volume of the, if it will match -5 or +5. I'll be solving the volume here if it matches this one. Okay? Anyway, the last problem you solved was correct. Tama siya.
Freeze.
Nawala. Ayan. Okay. Wait. It's not the last problem. Last problem is numbers.
Abo.
It's a right circular cylinder has been designed to fit sphere. It's a sphere. If the sphere has a radius of 2 meters and the volume of the cylinder is a maximum, okay, find the dimensions of the cylinder. Is it like that, Josh? Talagang black siya pag ano? White yung gagamitin mo. Okay. Okay, solving this.
Parang po, bowling ball, no?
Oo. Sabi ko. Radius din.
Radius of what? Specify. Where are the two
Radius of
radii?
the cylinder. Wait. Susunod mo pala.
Which part of the cylinder? Yan mo, sulit mo clearly. You will not understand that. Which part of the cylinder?
Yung mga red parts sa sphere. Tapos yung blue na sa cylinder.
Radius of what
Hindi
part
pala.
of what? Radius of what
Ito
part
pala
of the
dapat.
cylinder?
Blue lang to.
What part of the cylinder?
Height, radius.
Radius of what?
The cylinder. Yung base ng cylinder.
You write it. So for those who are
RB.
watching, no, what is that? What's B?
Base.
In the other one, why is it there are two radii?
Cylinder.
Doc, I found the problem.
Meron na.
Okay, Doc. So, volume.
Para ano siya?
So, while he's illustrating it, Josh,
Hindi pwede ano eh. Sabay
the
na.
main problem is the radius is 15 eh. Okay, the radius is 15. So, ang ano natin is only 12. So, 12 lang yung radius ng cone. So, sumusobrang radius ng cylinder. Lumalagpas siya kaya negative talaga yung height niya.
Yes.
Ngayon, ang magagamit, what we're going to do is not the area. We're going to use the volume. Volume. We're going to use the, in this solution, makita natin na hindi siya pwede. And then the problem states, where's that? Largest cylinder. Okay. Josh, could I see your fifth solution? Yung the last problem. See, you use the volume here.
Isa
Aba.
may mali.
Yes. Well, the first problem we solved it using the area. Look. So area means yung outer side lang, di ba? Hindi kasama yung buong. It's not the whole object, hindi volume. We just solved yung external niya, di ba? Area we're solving for the external lang, surface lang, not the whole. So the mistake, we solved it properly if we're going to use yung area, but it's not, you're not solving kung ano yung kakasya. Sabi ano bang kakasya? So yung volume ang solve natin. So ito, that's why. Okay, so we're not going to use this one, the area. We're going to use the volume. Now the volume, for the volume, R will be equal to 8. Well, we could resolve it later, this problem. So we solve for the area. Since your solution is no mistake, Josh, it's still 15 if you're going to solve it using the area. But we're solving for the volume. Okay. So I just read the problem again.
Where did you get that one? R squared is equal to 2 squared minus.
Okay.
You
Okay, by PT, Josh, by Pythagorean theorem.
You state them.
By PT.
Complete solution so that those who are trying to learn will be able to follow.
Wait for a while. Balik na naman ako. Nagusto? Okay, wait mo lang ako. Wait.
it down, put it down. Over 4. Okay.
Or, I know.
Ah, tama ba? Over 26. Yun. Eight. Ah, ito pala. 4, 3. 4, 3.
Eight.
Find the dimension H. H na nahanap na yan. Ayan. So,
Units. Units.
yes.
I think we can consider that, Josh. The question is what is or find the dimensions of the cylinder. Let's go back, Josh. Let's go back to the problem. Problem number 4. Okay. Yeah. Could you here? 2 circles. Could we use volume? The formula for volume here area. Fifteen is not probable. Okay na, Josh. Palay ko kasya na dun. I think it would fit there dun sa first page mo. Tingnan mo nga. O dyan mo na compute yung volume.
Clear.
Hindi lang.
Clear.
Di ba mamano yan? Masira.
Yun.
Yun. First natin para madali i-erase kung ayaw mo clear ayun. V. Which V? Large cylinder pa.
Five pi, Josh. 5/3 pi.
5 pi po or 3 pi. Tama na pala. Derivative. equals 4 pi r minus 5 pi r. Ala, mga kailangan pa. Quadratic. Pwede rin itong parang 8x. Tapos yun itong x lang. Quadratic natin. 5x. 2x.
Josh, buuin mo na, Josh. Kung shortcut gusto mo R, ganun. R is equal to
Lipat mo na.
40 pi over 5 pi. Pwedeng ganun. Shortcut mo na dyan eh. Oh.
Can you solve a ball?
Kawawa.
Eight. Nag-factor ka na eh. 8 and 5, nag-factor ka na. Buuin mo siya kasi. Buuin mo siya kasi ano.
Transfer.
O kaya R squared over R, pwede yun. R squared over R is equal to 40 pi over 5 pi. Yun, pwede pa. Medyo buo pa yun. Naintindihan pa doon.
Transfer.
There are two answers. Hindi pwede transfer. Ma-reduce yung, if I divide by x now, it will be, the degree will drop. I mean, there will be a root that will be dropped. Zero. May drop talaga. We're not sure if the good root will be dropped or the extraneous. Ay, regular. Extraneous.
Josh, bakit 8 over 5?
But 8 over 5.
Dapat po 8
Bakit,
over
ano nga, ulitin mo. Transpose mo nga. Transpose negative 5 pi R squared to the left side of the equation.
5 pi.
It's not going to be a fraction. O, see? R is equal to 40 divided by 5.
Ah, 8.
Okay, yun. So, hindi 5 over 8. Oh, sorry, 8 over 5. Hindi pala 8 over 5. It's okay. So, now let's solve for the height. If your R is equal to 8.
It's a shortcut. If you know both, if you know if you already eliminated the extraneous root, should you use a fraction? R equals 8. Wait, actually R yata yung the dimension. We need H pala. So H equals 4 minus what's R? H equals 20 minus 5, so it's R. 20 minus 5, so it's R. 20 minus 5, that's 4. 20 minus 20 over 3. 20 minus 20 divided by 40 over 3. Huh. Yung ganun.
Let's see kung magpa-positive na siya.
Units.
The height of the cone, tama, pwede 20, tsaka radius can be 8 nga.
Units. Tsaka yung B.
What are the units? Centimeters. 8 centimeters. Centimeters.
Ano yan? B.
Okay.
What happened?
So, positive na siya. Okay. And then it will fit.
Let's
Okay. So, yun.
kasi medyo it's a kind of suspicious.
Ayun, 40 pi R minus 5.
40 pi na lang. 40 pi minus 10 pi r. Okay. R naman is positive. We have to compute. equals negative 45. Maximum.
So, maximum negative siya. Okay. So,
Tama.
medyo na tayo sa kaya na. You solve, tama lahat ng solve mo eh. I was taken by solution mo, tama lahat eh. But we're solving for the area, not for the volume. It should be pala, largest that can fit. So, we were solving for the area. Hindi rin makomplete na ma-fit siya. We're solving for the external ng cylinder. Should be solving for the whole cylinder, the volume, not the area. That's why when we saw yung radius is 15, and then the given volume is only 12, parang hindi pwede. So, maling na-solve natin. It should be volume. Yeah, it's what would fit.
It's
Yun ang
important,
ibig
no?
sabihin. Okay. So, at least we could see naman sa ano naman, answer is 15. So, meaning parang mali yung answer. You could analyze yung solution. Where did we go wrong sa solution natin? But if we're solving for the area, actually, it's correct. Every part of the solution is correct if we're solving for the area, not for the volume. Okay? So, I think you should end it here, Josh. We'll continue next meeting with the simple time rates problems. I think you mastered maxima minima. Okay, so it's getting late.
Thank you
So I
po.
think good night. It's good
Bye
evening na pala.
po.
Bye.
Bye-bye po.
Bye.